Promissory notes. What the heck are those? So, a promissory note is basically what it sounds like. It's a promise that you're going to do something, and it's a note because it's written down, and kind of like a bank note involves money. So a promissory note is where one person promises to pay back another person when they owe them money. Now, it could be just on a simple debt. It could be as part of a promissory note as a sort of a kind of guarantee for something. There's a number of different occasions where you can use a promissory note, but there's also a number of varieties of promissory notes that we end up dealing with. For instance, a promissory note can just be a note that you owe money, period, but there's no security in it. It's acknowledging a debt. Other times, you're going to have a promissory note that allows the person who's lent you money, the creditor, to charge land. So if you own a house or if you own real estate, it allows them to register the promissory note on title to the property as a caveat, and the world will know that you owe that money. Now, the world will know. Basically, anyone who searches title to your property will see the money's owed. So if you sell your home or refinance it, that debt's going to get paid out. It has to be paid out because it's right there, and a bank won't fund a mortgage or a line of credit or other debt if there's a promissory note in the way. Likewise, a buyer of your home is going to want that removed before they take ownership. Now, there's a couple other variations too. There's contingent promissory notes, and contingent just means it's contingent on something happening. So you lend one of your kids money. Now remember, this is different than a gift, because a gift you're not getting paid back. It's a gift. So if you lend money where it's not a gift according to the bank, where we register a promissory note where there's no payments made, there's no anything that's required in terms of being paid back, except it's contingent that on the sale of the home, the money's going to be paid back to your parents. Likewise, you could have an on-demand promissory note where the person who has lent you money can give you demand that I want to get paid out now, and that triggers the start of having to pay it out. Now, promissory notes can sometimes include interest. They don't have to, but it's available. It could say a time when it matures, when it has to be paid out for sure, like a deadline. That'd be part of a contingency. So there's a number of variations. If you need to protect yourself in terms of debts that are owed, talk to your lawyer to make sure that you know that you're getting the protection that you need and that things are done properly so that you're able to collect on money that's owed to you in the future.